all night long. Yeah, we dance with our razor tongues and all day long. Yeah, we reset under burning sun, catching the waves, inhale, exhale, reminiscing the bygone.
Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, by the title you all have seen it, I'm going to be doing 10 gift item idea for Valentine, for him and for her. Today we are not going to be separating, because what God has joined together, let no man put asunder. So we're going to do everything in this video for the man and for the woman. All right, even if you're just dating, you're still looking to get married, you're still going to be joined later in the future. So we're not going to separate you by doing the video for her and for him. We're doing both together in one video today. So if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. On this channel, we're all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank. So all these items that I'm going to present today, they're on Amazon. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. If you end up shopping from this, you're supporting me, because whatever you purchase, I'm going to get a commission from the seller at no cost to you. All right, I will leave the link to all the items I'm going to be sharing today. I will leave them in the description box, and also I will put the video and pictures here and there for you all to have the idea of what I'm talking about. So without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. These items are under $25, because we're all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank. And when you think about giving a gift to someone, it's not how expensive it is the thought behind it. For you to even think that this person deserves to be gifted this, that's what is the most important thing. Anything that is above $25, I will let you know. But I did my research, and I'm sure most of the things I'm going to share here today are going to be under $25. So as you all know, even biblically, they said man is the head of the family. So we are going to start with him. So let's jump right into it. I'm going to be looking at my notes here, because I wrote them down in order for me not to blab and prolong this video. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to be sharing, it's under $25, is a men's belt. In this case, you don't have to think about adjusting the size, or trying to figure out what size is it, medium, large, or small, or extra small. You don't have to think about that. The reason why I said so is because this one is the one that they can adjust by themselves. And I read the review. It has a lot of good, amazing review on Amazon. Like, people are really raving about this. You need to check it out and give this to your man. It's under $25. All right, the next one we're going to move into is the massage gun. That man has been working so hard in order to make the family live a better life, or your boyfriend has been working so hard in order for you to finally get along and be a family. Gift him this massage gun. It's under $25. He doesn't have to go out there to go get some massage done, and maybe some kind of whatever it is called. You all know what I'm talking about. But anyway, it doesn't have to go do it outside and get tempted. He can always have it at the comfort of his home. You can always help him with it. That can lead to some kind of fun moments between you and your man, if you get what I mean. So get him a massage gun under $25. The third one I'm going to be sharing is called the men canvas cotton cap. This is cotton cap. It's very, very good. It's going to help him to protect him from the ray of the sun, and also it will style him up stylishly. If you're the type that you're into fashion and style, just like I am, you can always tell your man, wear this with this outfit, is going to look good. Wear with that outfit, and the most important thing is going to help him to shield him out of the sun ray. Under $25, you're protecting that man. All right, so the next one I'm going to share is a wallet. This is a very, very portable wallet that can contain your credit card, your debit card, your ID card, your driver's license, whatever card that you have. It has a lot of compartment inside it that you can put some money into it, and it's very flat. It's not going to be bulky. It's not going to be too heavy in his pockets. It's men's wallet. All right, and it's under $25. Gift him this gift, and whenever he's going, he has it with him. He's thinking about you. He has you with him, kind of indirectly. All right, so ladies, let's move on to the next one, which is the number 5. This is Under Armour t-shirt. It's called the 2.0 short sleeve Under Armour. You know how this brand can be very, very expensive, but I was able to find the one on Amazon that is on sale right now, and they have it for under $25. they have different colors and different sizes. If you know his size, you can easily just get that one for him. If you don't know, just snoop around. There is nothing wrong with snooping around to be able to find the size of your men's shirt or boyfriend's shirt to buy him a surprise gift. So give him that. It's under $25. And guess what? It's Under Armour. We all know how this brand is very expensive. The next thing I'm going to be sharing is, if your man is the type that like to keep his beards, you want him to look very classy, very sophisticated, you want him to look very presentable and smelling very fresh, like rich money, you want to present with this bead kits. It's very affordable, under $25, and it has a lot of things inside it that it's going to use to make him to, you know, to trim, to wash, to give it shampoo, to give it that very soft and very silky look that will make him look more attractive for you and not for anybody else. All right, so gift him this. Is under $25. Most importantly, whenever they clean their, you know, their beards, it just makes them smell fresh. I can't deal with bad odor. I can't deal with it, to be honest with you. My man has to be fresh and smelling good all the time. You know, that will get you more closer to each other, and you also, you have to do that as well, like fresh up all the time and be clean, no bad breath. We are not doing that. All right, then the next one, which is the number 7, is the men's crew t-shirt. This one is a multiple pack. Those are the undershirt that they can wear, and it's under $25, and you have a lot inside of it. I don't want to give you the wrong information. I think it's about 6 or so in one pack, and it's less. It's $25. Thing I'm going to share is a gift card. You can't go wrong with gift card. Buy him $25 gift card. If you want to go above that, you are more than welcome to do that. But Amazon gift card, it comes in a beautiful in a beautiful envelope that it's going to look presentable. Buy that one for him. With doing that, by doing so, he's going to be able to go on Amazon and shop for what he really likes if you don't know what to get him. So this is an open option of a gift idea. It's a gift card. Just give him that $25 gift card and he can purchase whatever he wants on Amazon. The 9 is the initial bracelets. Give him a gift that he will have his initial, or probably your own initial, that whatever he has. The people will ask him, is that, oh no, that's my babe, that's my girl, that's my wife initial. Just get him. It's under $25 and it looks very expensive. All right, ladies. And the last one that I'm going to be sharing is the one that my oldest son just gifted my husband during the Christmas. We have that at home. It's a beautiful wood phone docking organizer. You just put your, you look at how beautiful this is. Like, you can put your glasses, you put the phone, you put your watch, you put, you know, just to make you look organized. You know, sometimes men will be looking for this, I'm looking for that. This one is more than $25, but it's not up to $40. So I will leave the link as well in the description box. So now that we are done with the men of the house, they are always the head. No matter what, we have to give them that respect. So we have to get them out of the way so we can move on to female, what you can give to her. All right, so the first thing I have on my list is called the light up rose in a glass dome. This is really beautiful. She can just place it beside our own side of the bed. As you all know, we all have our own side of the bed in the house, where he sleeps, where you sleep. You can just put it on that corner, and if you're not married yet, you're still in your own house, you can put it by your reading table, where you keep your laptop, where you can see it every day. It's really beautiful. It looks very romantic, very Valentine-ish kind of gift, if you get what I mean. This is absolutely beautiful. It's under $25. The next one is going to be an initial tote bag for beach. We are going to be going into the spring, into the summer, so you want to give her this, and it looks very classic. It looks very classy at the same time, and very affordable. And I read a lot of good review about it. The most important thing again is that you can purchase the one that has an initial on it and just give it to her as a gift. So it looked like kind of a personalized item without paying for the service for them to write the initial on top of the tote bag. It's already there. Just purchase that and it's under $25. The next item on my list is handheld mini fan. This is really beautiful. You can purchase this one for her. She can always have it and carry it along whenever it's hot, when we get to that hot weather. I know in the part of the world where I live, we're in winter time right now, but eventually we're going to go into spring or summer and it's going to be hot, and you're going to need you're gonna need a fan. So this is a portable fan, very presentable and look very feminine, so you can buy that for her. It's under $25. I actually have something like that at home. This is the one that I have at home. It's rechargeable. You can just charge it, and look at how cute this is. You just have this in your purse, and whenever you're hot, you just press it after you charge it and just, you know, use it to calm yourself down. It's under $25 and it's very, very beautiful, very presentable. The next one on my list is the ring dish with inspirational messages. On this one, you have is a ring dish where you can just put your ring. I don't know if people are still doing it, but I feel like it's a good thing to practice. It's a good thing to have a tray, a small tray, ring tray in your bathroom. So whenever you want to wash your hands, you can always take up your rings and put them there, wash your hands, use your lotion, and put back your ring in your hands. It's just good, and it makes your bathroom look very feminine and look very organized and presentable. And this is under $25, and you have inspirational messages on it that can motivate you every time you read it, every time you see it in your bathroom. So get that for her. It's under $25. The next one on my list is called the luxury. You know, it just look like a luxury brand. It looks very expensive. It's a winter scarf. I purchased one of it, but it's not here yet, so there's no way I can show you off physically. But what I'm talking about is there on the screen for you all to see. It's less than $25. Imagine what you can do with that, how many ways you can style that scarf, and she's going to enjoy it if you purchase this for her. If she's a person like me, I can use my scarf as a top. I can style it in so many ways. I can tie it around my neck. It's a gift that she's going to use for a very, very long time, and it's under $25, and it does look like a luxury purchase, spending less for a luxurious look. That's my goal, my mission, honestly. The next one on my list, which is number 6, is the toiletry bag. This one is really beautiful. I read a lot of review, a good amazing review about it. It's very presentable to organize your stuff, your things in your bathroom. Instead of looking for this the other time, looking for that the other time, everything is well organized, and it's less than $25. You can purchase that for her. The next thing is the travel toiletry bag. This look like a purse that you can use to dress up. Until you open it up, you are going to know that it's for the toilets. Like, there's a toilet bag. It's what you use to put your toiletries when you're traveling. It's very sophisticated and classy. I love it, and it's under $25. They have it in different colors, and it has a lot of good review as well. So purchase that for her, so when she's going on a short trip, even with you or with her girls, she can always look very, you know, representing you, very good, very organized. I really love it. I'm gonna purchase this for real. I'm gonna purchase it for my next trip. All right, then the next one is the butterfly teacup. This looks very nice. It looks very girly. She looks very feminine. She just have a tea inside of that and drinking it, sipping it in front of the TV or while she's talking to you. Get at this is less than $25. I feel like a lot of women we relate to this for the fact that, you know, it's transparent. You can see the flower, and you know how flower is kind of romantic, and we're talking about Valentine. So the next one is a gift that she can get by herself. Gift her a gift of Amazon gift card. She doesn't need to think too much. You don't need to think too much about what you give her. If you don't know what to give, just purchase Amazon gift card for her. It could be less than $25. It can be $25, depending on your budget. You know, all these items I'm sharing here, they are under $25. So if you're buying a gift card, you might want to do more than $25. It's up to you. And this comes in a very beautiful envelope. They're very, very girlish as well, and very, very presentable. You can do that. $25 or less is up to you. $25 or more, it's up to your budget. All right, and the last thing on my list is this golden decorative room wall mirror. She could put it in the hallway, in the house. She could put it in the bathroom. She could put it in her makeup room if she's the type. She has her own separate room where she normally relax, or she can use it to decorate the house too. It's gonna benefit both of you if you're living together. And if you're not living together, she's still in school, for her to have it on her wall, she's always going to be thinking about you all the time. She's saying it. It's a decoration, and it's beautiful, and it's less than $25. Most women will gravitate towards gold. All right, this is not real gold, it's plated, but golden, whatever, shining thing, most women will gravitate towards it. That's why I'm giving you this idea as well. All right, ladies, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. What do you think about my share? What do you think about all the items I mentioned? Remember, it is the thought behind this gift that matters. It is not how much the worth, it's the thought behind it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.